Hey there, I'm Cody with Redilight USA here in Vancouver, Washington, and I handle most of the day-to-day operations around here. I'm responsible for testing, assembly, and shipment of Redilight throughout the United States. If you're not familiar with Redilight, it is a solar-powered interior lighting system that behaves a lot like a skylight does. So, as the sun rises in the morning, the light slowly brightens until it reaches peak intensity throughout the day, and then as the sun sets, the light slowly dims back down. A lot of our dealers that install skylights and tubular daylighting devices use Redilight as a skylight alternative. So in situations where a customer would like a skylight, but they can't cut a hole in their roof because it will void the warranty on their roof, or construction limitations make it impossible to put a skylight where they'd like it due to overhead ductwork or something, or in the situations with a tubular daylighting device, the amount of extension tubes it would take to reach the customer's roof makes the install more costly than the customer had planned, and they decide not to go forward with it. These are all great applications for Redilight as a skylight alternative, and they make it so you don't have to walk away from a sale, and the customer gets the light they're looking for. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to set up a Redilight and how it works. I'm going to show you the lights, solar panels, and accessories we offer, and then we'll cover some technical details such as Redilight system planning, driver setup, and remote synchronization. Anything that isn't covered in this video is likely on our website at www.redilightusa.com under our resources section. And then any further questions that you have can be emailed directly to me at cody@redilightusa.com. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, first let's talk about a basic Redilight system and how it works. The Redilight system consists of three primary components: the solar panel, the driver, and the light fixture. The solar panel is mounted on the roof facing the sun, where it gathers the sun's energy and converts it into electricity. A wire is run from the solar panel through the roof into the roof cavity, where it connects to the driver. The driver's job is to regulate the power going to the light fixture from the solar panel. The light fixture will be affixed to the ceiling inside the house, and it simply plugs into the driver in the roof cavity. If multiple lights are needed, a larger solar panel will be used, along with drivers chained together for each light fixture. Typically, the easiest way to decide what size solar panel you need is to figure out how many lights you're going to use. So let's go ahead and I'll show you all the different lights that we carry.
All of our light fixtures shown here, except for the large 2-foot by 2-foot square flat panel at the end, come in either a 3000K or 5000K color temperature. The 3000K is more of a warm, soft light, where the 5000K is more of a bright white daylight. So first we have our 24-watt surface mount light fixture. It is constructed of white powder coat aluminum and measures about 13 inches across. The acrylic diffuser can be removed by giving it a counterclockwise turn, which exposes the LEDs and the screw holes with which to attach it to the ceiling with our hardware kit. The diffuser can be easily reattached by giving it a clockwise turn. It's a very slim profile. It sits very close to the ceiling. Has a light output of 2600 lumens and can illuminate a space of about 100 square feet at 300 lux. Our 24-watt recessed round light fixture is designed to be mounted flush against the ceiling with an extremely low profile. It is constructed of white powder-coated aluminum, and the backside features a robust heat sink and strong spring clips that keep the light tight against the ceiling after installation. The light measures about 13 inches across and has an output of 2600 lumens, which is enough to illuminate an area of about 100 square feet to 300 lux. Our 24 watt recessed square fixture is very similar to the recessed round fixture, in that it's made out of white powder coated aluminum and features an extremely low profile when mounted against the ceiling. The back has also a robust heatsink, and it has 4 spring clips to keep it tight against the ceiling after installation. The light measures 13 inches across and has an output of 2600 lumens that makes it able to light an area of 100 square feet to approximately 300 lux. Here we have our 12 watt medium recessed round light. It's also meant to be mounted near flush into the ceiling. It features the same robust heatsink on the back and the spring-loaded clips to hold it tight into the ceiling. Also made out of white powder-coated aluminum. This light measures about 9 inches across and has a light output of 1200 lumens, making it good for an area of about 45 square feet at 300 lux. An important note about our 12 watt lights is that they are typically ran in pairs. Our drivers come preset from the factory for a 24 watt load, so by using our two-way splitter, you're able to plug two 12 watt lights into a single driver. This is great if you want to put more than one light in an area, or you can even span them between 2 different rooms. This gives you the same amount of light as one of our larger 24 watt lights, but with the option to put lights in more than one place. Also, the cords that are on the back of the lights are a bit short for spreading lights out, so we offer a 10-foot extension cable that can be used to plug straight into the plugs from the lights and into the two-way splitter. This is our 6 watt small recessed round light. It is essentially the same as our other 12 and 24 watt recessed round lights, in that it has a large heatsink on the back and spring-loaded clips to mount it flush into the ceiling. This is our smallest light and also one of our most popular offerings. The light measures about 4¼ inches across and has an output of 610 lumens, making it good to illuminate a 22 square foot space at about 300 lux. Much like our 12 watt lights are run in pairs, our 6 watt lights are typically ran in sets of 4, using our 4-way splitter. By plugging each light into the splitter, we're able to use a 24 watt load off of a single driver. These lights are extremely popular and are typically used in places like kitchens, living rooms, and bar areas. The lights together equal about 2400 lumens of light and can be spread out over large distances. Once again, the cords for these lights are sort of short, so if you need a little extra space, we've got extension cables. Our 6 watt square recessed light offers the same features and performance as our 6 watt round recessed light, just in a different shape. It has the same robust heatsink, spring clips for installation, and durable white powder coated aluminum construction. Puts out 610 lumens and illuminates a space of about 22 square feet to about 300 lux. Our last fixture is a 48 watt 2-foot by 2-foot square light. This light has an extremely thin and lightweight design, measuring only about a ½ inch thick, which makes installation easy for a light of this size. It is designed primarily to be installed in a T-bar type drop ceiling, but can be mounted to a drywall ceiling with our surface mount kit. Features earthquake clips on the side for a T-bar ceiling to keep it in place should an earthquake occur. Since this is a 48-watt light, a setting inside of the driver will need to be changed to accommodate the larger load. This light has an output of about 4,800 lumens and can illuminate a space of about 175 square feet to about 300 lux. This light is only offered in a 5000 K color temperature.